Hey, welcome back. So I have to change the clutch out on my bike. That was not a part of the original list of things that needed to get done, but as I was progressing along here with the exhaust change and the coolant tube O-ring replacement, I went out and did some riding with my friend, and after that day it was just slipping so bad that it was hard to get onto the freeway and maintain speed. So that being said, I was able to order a clutch from Barnett Racing, or Barnett Clutches I think it's called, and got that installed. And the seal I ordered from Amazon, I mean, how hard can it be to mess up a seal? I accidentally cut my seal in half trying to open it because of the way it was packaged. So what I did is took some ultra gray RTV and stuck it in there. You'll see in the video. I just wanted to use it as an experiment to see if that would hold up in a pinch if you ever run into that situation. And so far it has been. It's been a couple days on me riding it with warm temperatures and cold temperatures and the different weather changes. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Thank you.